Combination reaction is one of the type of chemical reactions. In this reaction, we have already come across saying that two elements or compounds combine to form a single product. So for this, the very basic example that we can take up over here is when we are making hydrogen to react with oxygen, we get water molecule. To take up another example, carbon made to react with oxygen gives you carbon dioxide. Sodium made to react with oxygen gives you sodium oxide. Hydrogen made to react with chlorine gives you hydrogen chloride. So right here I have listed a few examples for you. This is an element, molecule of an element of hydrogen combining with a molecule of oxygen to give you water molecule. They have combined to form a single product. Similarly, carbon made to react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Sodium being a metal, these two examples, just remember about a non-metal over here. Sodium being a metal made to react with oxygen has formed sodium oxide. Hydrogen made to react with chlorine forms hydrogen chloride. So check out with the balancing of equations. So right now, carefully observe. All these four examples what I have given over here are elements combining to form a product. It's not necessary that you have only the elements to be combined and to form a product. You can also have a compound combining to form a single product. For example, I may have carbon monoxide made to react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. So, why this particular example has been given? When we observe these examples over here, it is a synthesis from something which is new. Hence, a combination reaction in such case can also be called as a synthesis reaction. Whereas, in the last example what we have given, carbon monoxide reacts with oxygen to give carbon dioxide. So, in this particular case, you will have a compound reacting with an element to form a compound. So, carbon monoxide is a compound, oxygen is an element. These two are a compound reacting with an element to form a compound. So, you may also have another example where you have a compound reacting with a compound to form a single product. Like calcium oxide made to react with carbon dioxide gas gives you calcium carbonate. So, in such cases, we have a compound reacting with an element or a compound reacting with a compound. Such type of equations you call it as purely combination reactions, whereas the equations where we consider the formation of elements, combining of the elements to form a compound, we call it as a synthesis reaction. So synthesis reaction and combination reaction are both same. A very fine line of difference is present over here only based on the elements. When they are combining, they form a product. A compound, when they are forming, they also form a product. Synthesis reaction and combination are similar. Thank you.